Mallory, when I think about it, it seems like it was just yesterday we were spending every day together at TCU. Back then, it just seemed like there were not enough hours in the day for us to get to know each other. I wanted to be with you at all times, no matter what gene I was trying to identify in my rainbow trout lab, or new bird I was learning about in avian biology. These feelings have only increased with time.
Ben, from the moment we met back at TCU, I knew what we had was special. I feel so lucky to have met you all of those years ago. And even luckier that you said yes when I asked you a formal.
Welcome, friends, family, and loved ones. We're here today to celebrate as we watch Mallory and Ben join hands in marriage. But most of all, we're here to wish them well as they begin their new life together.
Ben and Mallory, you've been through crushing exams and long distance away from each other. You guys are able to pull each other out of the seriousness and the stress to a world of playfulness. Whether it's figuring out a Star Wars thing on a game of Heads Up, but also just laughing yourselves into sheer exhaustion. May your life's journey be like a ride on Hogwarts Express. May your laughter be louder than the fireworks over Snow White's castle. And may your love be deeper than a Disney moat.
I'm amazed that we found a way to grow even closer together through a mere 7 years of long distance, 5 different graduation ceremonies, and countless other weddings from many of our closest friends and family.
Early on in our relationship, we would frequently say to each other the phrase, "in time." While waiting for time to eventually get here, we would spend our infrequent free weekends traveling to each other, knowing that it would all be worth it one day.
No matter what happens in the world, in our job, in our families, or in our lives together, I will always love you.
Being with you feels like home, and I can't wait to grow old with you. I promise to put you and our family first. Promise to love you unconditionally forever and always. I am so excited to take on marriage with you because you make me happier than I ever thought I could be. I love you, Ben.
Ben, do you take Mallory to be your lawfully wedded wife and cherish her and no other for the rest of your life?
I do.
Mallory, do you take Ben to be your lawfully wedded husband and cherish him and no other for the rest of your life?
I do.
Ben and Mallory, having proclaimed your love by the power vested in me by the state of Colorado, I am so happy to pronounce you husband and wife. Ben, you may kiss your bride.